Hello guys, welcome back. To now I'm feeling crazy and then we show you how to create this penny pigeon in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, it is easy. Let's go. Okay, now we are in a new Microsoft PowerPoint sheet and then let's create the circle first. So we go to Insert tab and then Shift and we choose the circle. Any circle is okay. So draw the circle by holding the Shift key and then make your circle look nice. Okay, and then we will remove the shape outline with no outline and then we will make it to position at the center of the slide. Okay, so we go to home and arrange, align center, and again arrange, align middle. Okay, so this circle is at the center of the page. Okay, and then we create a background shape of the slide. Okay, we go to insert and then shape, and then we took the rectangle and draw it to the front of the slide. Okay, then we right click and send to back because the same color, so we cannot see where is the circle. And let's change the color. Okay, change the color to the black or change any color you like. Okay, whenever you like it's okay. And then for the circle we press the Ctrl D and move it to outward. Okay, there we select the center one with the background shape, and then we go to shape format and merge shape, and then we combine it together and it becomes like this. Then we remove the shade outline together and we change this color to black. Okay, look nice. Then we move back this circle to the original position. Okay, and then we right click on the circle and choose the format shape. From here we go to the effect and then top pivot we choose the round, and again for the border pivot we choose the round again. And now let me measure the width and height of the circle. So to be measured it is 6 points, and so we have to know the accurate size of the circle. To know the accurate size we have to go to the shape format and see right here 6.95 inches. So to calculate it we will need the calculator, and we have to multiply the inches, original inches, to 36 into 6.95. Okay, then we get 250.2. okay, let's take 250. Okay, so we write 250 and again 250, and also if we okay it is 250 also 250. Okay, then we get it, and now we go to our material and we choose clear. Okay, we've done with the first slab. Okay, so we right click and new slab, we get the new slab and we remove this text V, remove. Okay, then we close it, and now we will need a world map. So we go to the Google, and now I'm here at the pizzabay.com and search for the world map, PNG transparent, background transparent, and we can get it 100% free. So you can download free. Like right here I can you can either download the medium or large PNG, it's up to you. As for me, I already downloaded, so I go to my downloaded folder and take this one, right click, copy, and then go back to PowerPoint and paste right here. Okay, and then we zoom out. Okay, and we move the picture to the right side, and then we go to animation and make the animation. Maybe we choose the fly on, and effect option we change the direction from right to the left. okay, like this. And from start we choose the width previous and duration of each second okay, it is enough. And then we press Ctrl D to duplicate, maybe E, we have two. Okay, then we open the selection pane, then we select both image and go to home and arrange, align, center, and again align, middle. Okay, right here we can see the second picture, and we go to animation and we see both picture have the duration of a part. We set the second picture to duration to 4. Okay, then we press enter. Then we close it, and we go to animation and animation pane, and we select both image, and for this throttle we choose the effect option, and then go to timing tab, and at the repeat we choose 18 end of slap, and then we click OK. Okay, look like this. Okay, we close it, and then we go to picture format and open the selection pane again, and we select both picture and press Ctrl D, and then move it to the left. Okay, we'll zoom out a little bit. Okay, we move it to the left like this. Okay, not bad. And then we change the animation direction left to the right. Okay, like this. And we also change the transparency to maybe around 80%. It's look good. Okay, we close it. Okay, it's good. So we go back to the first lab and we select all, and we copy and go back here and paste. Okay, paste like this. And now we go to the slideshow, and from current slide. Okay, here we go. Okay, how easy it is. Very easy. Okay, I hope you guys are doing well. Okay, see you next time. Bye.